Imagine the entire universe shrinking, everything we know, stars, galaxies, planets, all rushing together. This is the Big Crunch theory. It's a mind-bending idea about how our universe might end. The Big Crunch is like rewinding a movie of the universe's expansion. Instead of things moving apart, they come crashing back together. Right now, the universe is expanding. But what if it didn't keep expanding forever? What if one day it started to contract instead? It suggests that the universe's expansion might someday slow down, stop, and reverse. Picture the universe as a balloon. Right now, it's inflating. The Big Crunch theory says that one day the balloon might start deflating. If the Big Crunch happened, it would be unlike anything we can truly imagine. Galaxies would collide, stars would smash into each other, and temperatures would skyrocket. But is it really how things will play out? That's what we're going to explore.
To understand the Big Crunch, we need to start with what we know about the universe now. Right now, the universe is expanding. This expansion started with the Big Bang about 13.8 billion years ago. Since then, everything has been moving apart. Galaxies are getting farther away from each other. Space itself is stretching. The rate of this expansion isn't constant. For a long time, scientists thought the expansion was slowing down. They believed that eventually it might stop. If the expansion stops, gravity might take over. Gravity could pull everything back together again. The shift from expansion to contraction would be gradual at first. Over billions of years, the effects would become dramatic. This is the heart of the Big Crunch theory, a universe that doesn't just stop expanding, but actively contracts.
At the center of the Big Crunch theory is a cosmic battle between two forces, gravity and dark energy. Gravity is a force we're all familiar with. It's what keeps us on the ground and planets in orbit. In the context of the whole universe, gravity works to pull everything together. It's the force that could potentially cause the Big Crunch. On the other side, we have dark energy. Dark energy is much more mysterious. We can't see it or touch it. But scientists believe it makes up about 68% of the universe. Dark energy acts in the opposite way to gravity. It pushes things apart. It's what's causing the universe to expand right now. For the Big Crunch to happen, gravity needs to win this tug-of-war. The cosmic tug-of-war between gravity and dark energy continues, with the fate of the universe hanging in the balance.
Section 4. Pathways to the Big Crunch, different scenarios. There are several scenarios that could lead to the Big Crunch. One possibility is that the universe is closed. In a closed universe, there's enough matter for gravity to eventually overcome the expansion. Imagine throwing a ball up in the air. If you throw it hard enough, it might keep going up for a long time. But eventually, gravity will bring it back down. Another scenario involves dark energy changing over time. Right now, dark energy is pushing the universe apart. But what if it didn't always do that? Some theories suggest that dark energy could change its behavior. It might become weaker over time, or it might even start pulling things together instead of pushing them apart. There's also the possibility of new physics we don't understand yet. New discoveries could completely change our understanding. Maybe there are forces or particles we haven't discovered yet.
Section 5. After the crunch, a new beginning. So, what happens after the Big Crunch? One possibility is that it's the absolute end. Everything in the universe would be compressed into an infinitely dense point. This is similar to what we think existed before the Big Bang. It's hard to imagine what, if anything, could come after this. But some scientists have proposed another idea, a new Big Bang. They suggest that after the Big Crunch, the universe could bounce back. All that compressed energy could explode outward again. This would start a new cycle of expansion. It's like a cosmic reset button. Everything would start over from the beginning. This idea of a big bounce is fascinating.
Section 6. Why understanding the universe's fate matters. You might be wondering why any of this matters. After all, if the Big Crunch happens, it won't be for billions of years. None of us will be around to see it. But understanding the universe's fate is about more than just predicting the future. It's about understanding our place in the cosmos. Studying ideas like the Big Crunch helps us learn about the fundamental laws of physics. It pushes us to ask big questions. How did the universe begin? How will it end? Are there other universes besides our own? These questions drive scientific progress. They lead to new discoveries and technologies. Moreover, thinking about the universe's fate gives us perspective. It reminds us of how vast and ancient the cosmos is. Our lives are just a tiny blip in the grand scheme of things.